Me not fold, me not freeze when the pressure come. Dark days gone fade when the blessing come. Move slow, mind sharp, keep the weapon come. Me rise up, elevation strong. Bad girl watching a pure ball love. Bad girl move like she sent from above. From the mud to the throne, and I change who I was. Me not in her, but me still show love. Them big up, me still show love. Them big up, me level up. Release me now, my girl, through the frustration. Late night, turn man into revelation. Done river far outside blazing. Bad bitch, 5-star vacation. If you know a couple bands, if you want, you could take. Such a girl from Trinity, but her mother was here. She a vibe on the side when me go to Jamaica. Just a fuck in the bench, she a cook for me later. She a dime in her prime, but a dog me a pair. I don't know why she a cry, all this love that I give her. Love her for you go, can you buy me a Benz truck? Love her for you go, can you buy me a Benz truck? Me not fold, me not freeze when the pressure come. Dark days gone fade when the blessing come. Move slow, mind sharp, keep the weapon come. Me rise up.
Oh, not me in the same clothes from yesterday. Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday. I didn't even get to say I am going to try my hardest to make this into a weekly vlog. Didn't really get to do much yesterday, guys. Yesterday I started school. As you guys would have seen, I put in a little clip. I started school yesterday. It was cool. I love my teacher. She's Guyanese. Love her. And yeah, I also started working from home today because it don't look like I'm gonna be in the office anytime soon. So that's happening. I just ran out really quickly after work, went to pick up something on the road. I'm back in the house now. And I'm about to prepare and sign on to class because it's almost 5 o'clock. And my teacher said we should be in there about 15 minutes before. It starts exactly at 5. So I'm just trying to get my snacks and stuff together for the first part. Y'all, I feel like during the lectures, I need to take a nap. Yeah, I know it's bad to be doing that already, but y'all, a girl is tired. And then Babe and I have an event. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, we have an event this weekend. Working with one of my cousins. And so Babe has to cook, I have to help, and yeah, so let me prepare, and then when class starts, I'll come back, okay?
Cultural or family dynamics, ensuring again that everyone feels comfortable and included. Do you have any questions?
No question.
I have some questions for you all. Has everyone seen the assignment?
Yes.
And what do you think? Are you all managing? Anybody needs help? All right. Yay, nobody needs help. So before you start, I would like you all to identify a group leader. And I'm going to ask you all to do this for every group assignment going forward.
Yeah, ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah, you and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight, ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah, you and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. How you gonna say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gonna lay back. What you want, come my life, yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one at fault when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me.
Hi guys. Oh my god, hold on, I'm listening to a live right now, but let me pause this quickly, y'all. It is 10:06. It's April the 16th, Thursday, April the 16th, and I just finished my first week of school. So I have school Monday to Thursdays from 5 to 10. It's online, but child, I didn't realize how exhausted I was gonna be. Y'all, I'm exhausted. And I feel like this being my first week working from home and also being my first week in school, I realized I'm going to need a change. I know school is not gonna be in person, so I'm gonna need work to get back to being in person. Like, I need human interaction. I need to get out of the house. I cannot be at work 8 hours, then on the computer for 5 hours in the house. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. My building does have like a office area that I can like go to, but for class, I'm like, I don't want to go there and make noise because I got to talk to people if there's a group assignment, or just to talk to, you know, engage in the class. And then it's the same thing for work. Like, I have to be on the phone. So yeah, I don't want people in my business. It's not like, you know, if I'm studying or something. Anyways, whatever. Anyhow, y'all, so let me tell you. So I started the class on Monday, right? And there was an assignment or something that needed to happen, but like I was having difficulties logging on to the class. So like I kept coming in and out, my computer was shutting down, whatever, crashing, whatever. So anyways, finally got on and I caught the last gist of, we're having an assignment, this is what the assignment is type thing, but I missed a lot of the discussion. Anyways, so I'm looking after the class is done. My teacher was at one point doing stuff in the chat. She was having conversations in the chat. I'm pressing chat, can't see the chat. I'm like, okay. Then she said the assignment is posted. Y'all go look at the assignment. I'm looking for assignments, don't see any assignments. So I'm just like, okay. Message her the next day and I'm just like, I'm not able to see what's going on in the chat, and I'm also not able to see the assignments. My school never added me to, I wasn't added to, I didn't have certain permissions under my name to see certain things. So anyways, got added now and get to see the assignment. Y'all, being in school after so many years, it's a whole new world and I don't know it. And I don't like not knowing like things. Like, I don't like being not knowledgeable in certain areas. So kind of like coming back into this space, it's like very nerve-wracking because it's like a lot of things have changed since when I was in school. I'm just like, I'm trying to learn how to navigate a lot of these things, right? So get the assignment and I'm just like, what am I doing? Figured it out or whatever. Yesterday now, I thought I had the assignment on lock. I'm like, okay, I have this, whatever, which a lot of people did, but it wasn't giving, you know? So yesterday now in class, she makes somebody show what she's expecting our assignment to look like. The person comes in and puts it up and I'm like, this is the extra that I am, and I'm limiting myself. So I get on Canva and I start a new assignment. Boom. Assignments due at 10 o'clock, right? We come out of class at, I don't remember what time it was. It was around 7 something. We go on break at 7:30. I didn't take no break. I was working on the thing, right? My computer's struggling to keep up. There's a lot of stuff going on, so my computer's struggling to keep up. Sorry if this is super long-winded, y'all, but I gotta tell y'all anyways. So finish the assignment, right? Gotta make a PowerPoint presentation. Finish the assignment, save everything, cool. Go back on Teams to go upload my assignment, y'all. It's 9:59. Assignment has to be uploaded by 10 o'clock. 9:59, computer decides I am going to lag, and I'm gonna do the longest lag. I'm gonna freeze, I'm gonna lag, I'm gonna do it all. Bruh, when I got to upload my assignment, 10:02. assignments late. Anyways, I still need to go to her and argue about that because I got to see the assignment late, so I should be given somewhat some grace because I did a lot compared to a lot of the other students in the class. All right, cool. Come today, now we have to present. Hey! Called her before class started because I'm like, teach, I don't want to look like an idiot in class today. Can you help me figure out how I can share this project to you? Because I already uploaded it into the wrong format. I never uploaded it into PowerPoint format. I uploaded it as a PDF. So anyway, she shows me how to share my screen. Cool, ready for class, ready for present my wedding now, y'all. That was the assignment. The assignment was to create an avatar of a couple and basically answer questions, and these questions are supposed to determine how you as an event planner would plan their wedding based off of the information like hobbies, interests, lifestyle, occupation, all of them type of stuff, the cultural backgrounds, all of that type of stuff, and to plan a wedding for them. Okay, cool. So do my presentation. At the end, she was just like, I thank everybody for, you know, showing their assignments. I'm really excited to see Zoe's wedding, blah, 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 blah. And I was just, you're excited to see what? Like, you're excited to see what? But it's a group assignment, so there's 6 of us in each group, and at the end of presenting all of our assignments, we had to pick a couple or whatever. And I was just like, please, y'all don't pick mine. I'm grateful enough that she liked it, but please, the pressure is not gonna get worse from me with my assignment. So I'm just saying all of that to say I psyched myself out all week long about this assignment, like saying to myself, like, this is not good enough, like, you know, like wondering, like, is this really what I wanted? Like, but y'all, I've stayed up every single night writing up my notes, just re-looking at the assignments, doing all of that kind of stuff. And I don't know, but I think this is, yeah, I know this is the right path, and this is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm exactly where I need to be. So I'm super excited to see what happens. Mind you, I am tired, so I need to figure out a better schedule, but you want good, your nose off a run, right? So my nose is running right now, and I'm soon gonna be a certified event. Soon, you can't afford me now. Soon, y'all are not going to be able to afford. No, I'm joking. Y'all gonna be able to afford me, but I'm gonna be a hot commodity in the event planning industry. Look out for me, okay? Okay. Anyhow, I'm gonna go finish up my notes. It's 10:14. I'm gonna go finish up my notes. I'm gonna try to be in bed by 11 o'clock tonight, guys. I wish I could be in bed right now, but I'm gonna try to be in bed by 11 o'clock. Get up, do the people that work tomorrow, and sleep. I have to help my cousin with an event on Saturday, so I'm not gonna get that much rest, but I need to sleep. Okay? So I will see y'all tomorrow if anything interesting happens. I know I really wanted this to be a weekly vlog. I'm gonna see how I can finesse this, but as you can see, there's not really much happening. I'm not traveling to go to work or do anything. Nothing's really interesting happening. I'm in the house, so see with me. But yeah, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Bye. Your girl. I can't believe I'm a student. Look at me. Come on, come on, come on. Look at me. Do you guys know her? Do you guys know Angela? It's Angela, right? I believe it's Angela. Anyways, the girl that had cancer that beat it. Ooh. Come on, come. Anyways, okay, sorry, bye. my gosh, y'all, my battery is literally dying and I wanted to take y'all on this day with us and vlog, and I forgot my extra batteries at home. Yeah, anyways, we just made it to the pickup spot to help my cousin load up the stuff. We are about to head out. My cousin is hosting an event today, and as you know, babe is always the chef, so Yacht Spice will be cooking today. So I will try to get what I can. If not, I will insert some clips from my phone. But yeah, see you soon. See you when we get there. Oh my gosh, y'all, my battery is literally dying and I wanted to take y'all on this day with us and vlog, and I forgot my extra batteries at home. Yeah, anyways, we just made it to the pickup spot to help my cousin load up the stuff. We are about to head out. My cousin is hosting an event today, and as you know, babe is always the chef, so Yacht Spice will be cooking today. So I will try to get what I can. If not, I will insert some clips from my phone. But yeah, see you soon. See you when we get there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come with me as I don't even know what to say, y'all. It's event day. My husband has a catering gig today, so I am a wifeager today. So yeah.
First put on the glass. Let me see if the glass can fit.
When you drive like a maniac, these are the things that happen.
Yeah.
It's a quick repair. Reparation. You can lick it off on the way back. You must see nothing again. Sure, no. What my husband I do? What? Shit. Hold on. Un momento, por favor. Hold on. Yeah, now. Okay. No, look at the size of this pot. Okay. Stew chicken done. There's a lot happening, but we're getting ready. I'll come back when there's more to nyam. Because that's what I'm here to do. Y'all, I can finally, almost 3 hours later, finally come and show y'all what's happening. I was helping babe in the kitchen. I made the festival. I kneaded the dumpling. I made the wings. And yeah. So now we have fried chicken going. Guys, we have a big old pot of soup where I do. Stew chicken done. This is some stuff for soup. We need the dumpling. This is fried chicken. Jerk chicken we make. Show y'all. So we got patties and yeah, fries, festival wings, jerk chicken, and stew chicken down there. And yeah, this is the event. It's a 420 event. And yeah. I got to work when they got the needle like the exit. I got the bird, I make a fly. Check when it's a while, we're looking at you, like, oh yeah. This, y'all, is so cool. Rice smokers, y'all. These rings to hold your slips as a girl. Oh, so cute. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh, she's so creative. I love a creative girl.
I'm in a different state.
Nice to meet you.